Hello and welcome to our tutorial, where I will show you how you can withdraw tokens using vending machine, developed by SEAL pool operators. I'm using your wallet here, but it is similar for another wallets. First, you have to be logged in your wallet. Then click the Receive tab. Now the Reward tab, and it shows you your staking address, which starts with stake. Click the Copy button. Now go to the vending machine and in the tab Vending, paste the address you copied and check rewards. If everything's okay, you will see tokens which you can receive. Now copy the whole sending address and go back to your wallet. Click the Send tab and paste the address. The minimal amount is 2.2 ADA, but you will receive it back minus transaction fees. Now you have confirmed the transaction. I'm using Ledger Hardware Wallet. When the transaction is confirmed, you have to wait at least 15 minutes. Finally, you can see in your wallet that you received some ADA back and all desired tokens. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact SEAL pool operators or leave comment below.